company Akrapovič, and I would like to invite on stage Uroš Rosa.
Three 300 kilometers per hour. Everything is moving really fast. You're really concentrated because something can fall apart. But when you slow down, you really think that the world is standing still. And you are happy. And the passion for speed, for racing, and for motorsport is something that was in me since I was a child. And it's also part of Akrapovič DNA. And despite now being the company's CEO, I will always be an engineer. So I will write you down an equation that, in my opinion, is the recipe for a good innovation. First of all, you need passion. Second, you need an idea. And the idea for our innovation actually comes from the company's owner, Mr. Akrapovič, while he was waiting for an airplane. And I still recall while we were sitting at the conference break and sketching some ideas of a small piece of paper. So we can ask ourselves, was this part of a planned process? No. It was spontaneous. Now we are having passion and idea. What do we need next? We need guts. Guts to constantly move the benchmark, to constantly invest into new technologies, into development, into something that at the first glance might seem impossible. This is how you move boundaries. And to move it, you need a passionate, a dedicated team that will make your idea a reality. So here is my equation for, I would say, a perfect innovation. You need passion, you need idea, and you need guts. And you have an innovation. And our innovation is a showcase of our 25-year-long history. It's a complete titanium exhaust systems made of special titanium alloys and carbon fibers. We have an in-house developed technology to manufacture complex shapes out of titanium. And with a special developed 1,200-ton press that actually we invested into this machine only for this purpose to make this idea a reality. The exhaust system itself, of course, increases the power, the performance, makes a better sound, and the overall driving experience of the motorcycle. But it's not just an exhaust system. An exhaust system on its basic function is something that discharges gases into the atmosphere. But it's also an aesthetic object, which received the Red Dot Design Award in 2016. So, for the closing, let me ask you some final questions. Is an innovation on its own enough? No. Innovations must create value. But the question is, value for whom? Value for the people and for the end customers. But then we can ask ourselves what value actually is and how we are creating value. Value is happiness, because what we value on a personal level and on a professional level is something that makes us happy. And if we can deliver happiness to our employees, to our community, to end users of our products, then we can say that our innovation and our business, it's a force for good. Thank you.
At this point, I would like to invite the rest of the team on stage to receive the award. So the rest of the team, Akrapovič, for the award. You have to be somewhere. And while we're waiting for the full lineup, I have to say that all the embassies are actually getting a good picture and good audio, and they are congratulating to all the winners for their success. And a short photo opportunity with the whole team. Okay, thank you very much.